Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Montego Bay and we're giving you a tour of the hip strip. Now this is the largest hip strip in Jamaica and the government plans to spend 1 billion US dollars upgrading this hip strip. Now at the end of the hip strip is Harmony Cove and it's a beach and the government just opened it recently spending billions of dollars on that facility. So the government is committed to developing or upgrading this area in Montego Bay. Now this area has beaches, it has hotels. That's actually the S Hotel on the right, and it has won numerous awards for being one of the top hotels in Jamaica. On the left, you also have a lot more hotels. I think we just passed Starbucks on the right. There is a casino along here. There is a famous Margaritaville. So we're going to give you an update on what the plans are for the upgrade of the hip strip. The hip strip, officially known as Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, is undergoing planned upgrades aimed at restoring its status as Montego Bay's premier tourism and entertainment corridor. The redevelopment is anchored by a $1 billion investment led primarily by the Tourist Enhancement Fund in partnership with the local authority and private sector stakeholders. The planned works focus on streetscape improvements, including wider sidewalks, better lighting, landscaping, and improved road surface to make the area more pedestrian friendly and visually appealing. Utilities are expected to be better organized, reducing clutter and improving the overall look of the boulevard. These changes are designed to create a safer, cleaner, and more welcoming environment for both visitors and residents. Another key element of the upgrade is improved traffic flow and parking solutions, addressing long-standing congestion issues along the strip. Alongside public works, private businesses are also investing in renovations and modernization, adding to the area's renewed energy. Overall, the $1 billion hip strip upgrade is intended to strengthen Montego Bay's tourism product, boost business activity, and reposition the strip as a vibrant, world-class destination that reflects Jamaica's culture while meeting modern urban standards. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.